start off with an idea of where we want the play to go. We come up with costumes, sets and props and make them all, and put the set together with cardboard, and the characters become real. Whatever's suggested as a mad character, we put it into the play. I go home, write like crazy, come up with the script, we bring it back, we work it up together, and then by the end of the week, after a lot of pulling and tugging and a bit of madness and lots of laughter, we have a play which we put on for the parents, and that's the end of the week. We adore it. I started out in Canberra Children's Theatre with John Stevens. Went to study at Flinders University. I'm a graduate, so I have a BA Honours in drama, and then stepped into the professional world and haven't stopped. I've been able to stay working in that wonderful industry forever and a day, and I'm still going, so that's me. For me, the excitement of the workshop is seeing the progression of confidence that the children have by the end of the week. They've made new friends, they've come up with new ideas, they've seen their philosophies, thoughts, observations come to life in the form of a play, they've worked together in a group, they've had lots of laughs, made me laugh, which I love, and they've left feeling that they've achieved something wonderful. It's quite magic. I think the reason the children keep coming back to the workshops is they make special friends. They bring their own wonderful uniqueness, their individuality. They're able to put their ideas into some form where they can see them acted out and realised. And it's fast and it's furious and it's fun, and we're all in there working together on some project that actually comes to life at the